Good day. I'm Mary Jane Panes. I'm 23 years old. I can do household chores like cleaning, cooking, taking care of children from infant to old. And I also experience taking care of elders. I can do cooking and cleaning all the house from ceiling to floor, and I can cook food and can follow the instruction well, and I can do work with less supervision, and can do my job well. And
Okay, you said you can cook well, huh? So you did hands-on cooking?
training, ma'am, on training.
On training, but in your house, who did the
Yeah,
cooking?
I already cook in the house, and as
How often do you cook in your house?
daily.
Is it?
It's because we're a broken family, and I raised my two brothers and one sister, and stand for as their mother.
So why you are the eldest?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So where is your mother?
Broken family, and have a family another.
Yeah, but who is supporting you and your younger siblings?
Our father and my aunt.
You have a father and your aunt. Okay. What's the work of your father?
Farming.
Farming.
Yeah.
So being the eldest, so you are the one who serve as the mother.
Yes,
and
yes,
how old is your youngest brother or sister?
When my mother left us, my brother is 8 years old.
The
Next
youngest
to
one?
me, the youngest one is 3 years old.
Only 3.
Yeah, yes.
And the time you are 9.
Yeah, I'm 9 years old, but I already taking care of them.
Okay. until now.
Washing their clothes, cooking their clothes.
And presently, I mean, are you working?
Yeah.
How did you earn money?
My work today is a personal assistant and office secretary. As a personal assistant, but I still live with my employer.
Stay in job.
Yeah, stay in job. So I can do sometimes after work in office. I can do taking care of the children while the nanny are doing the household chores. I can do tutorials. I can take care of the dogs, their pets. I love dogs.
What's your employer doing?
Businesswoman and businessman.
Okay, and you're helping.
Helping them as a personal assistant and office secretary.
Okay, so you're in the office during
Yeah.
daytime.
Yes, ma'am.
Nighttime, if employer go home, then since that is a staying job,
Yes, ma'am.
you went home with them and also do
Yes,
some
I can do market.
household chores. So
Yeah.
whatever work is
Yeah,
fine. You're
yes.
flexible.
Yes, of
How
course.
long have you
anytime.
been there?
3 years.
So she knows that you're applying abroad.
Yeah, yes, of course. She told me that okay, if it is for the good of your family and your brothers and sisters.
How much are you earning now?
6,000 stay in.
Wow, so it's a good.
Yeah, but I
I mean,
have.
that's a good. Pay here.
Yeah,
In the
yeah.
Philippines, staying, of course.
Yes.
At least some are still paying for their food and lodging. You, it's already net,
Yeah.
no?
Oh, yes.
And how much do you send your father to help you?
Almost my salary is
Almost
because
your
of their
salary.
foods and their allowances in schools.
Okay.
Breadwinner.
So anytime you can leave this work.
Yes, anytime.
And how long are you planning to work now?
Until I have a job order, and is there an employee who like me, I'm willing
Of
to.
course, it's up to you.
Yeah.
You have to prove that.
Yes,
to the
of course.
employer.
Yes, ma'am.
So what more you can assure them if they will hire you?
If you choose me to my future employer, I am willing to work with you with love and care, as my employer now can testify what I've said, and they can tell you.
We can call them for reference.
Yeah, yes, of course.
They're very supportive.
Yes, very much.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.